That's how it's supposed to go. Oh, look at that lighting. Oh, there we go. That's the angle I was looking for. You see that pretty lightness? So, what's up, guys? It is Nick, or Mr. Odyssey. I'm with my boy Matt here. He's quite the character, but besides the point, you know, we had this crazy idea. We saw this video on Facebook of some guy attaching a bottle opener, just like similar to this, and duct taping it to a full-scale helicopter and opening a bottle of beer. So, I came to this... Stupid camera. I came to this crazy conclusion that I can zip tie a bottle opener to the bottom of my quad and have in-camera view and try and open a bottle of soda with the drone. So, should be interesting. What are your thoughts on this? What, like, on a scale of 1 to 10, how do you think this is gonna work?
I feel like you're gonna try and do it the first time and just full speed ram into the bottle and shatter it.
Yeah, I don't know. This should be good. Our other idea was to attach like model rocket engines to a quad, but stupid camera. Attach model rocket engines to a quad, but I don't know. So
we weren't trying to melt anything.
Yeah, not trying to destroy.
Not today.
One of my few freestyle rigs that's left out of the collection. Stupid camera. All right, let's get some stuff together and see if we can get it working.
Let's do this quad.
The idea is we're gonna get to the bottom of the quad. We're gonna get this bottle opener and just zip tie it right there. We'll see how things go. I'm not sure. Corvette into like a hot tub. Like a drivable hot tub.
Wait, you could actually like drive it?
Oh yeah.
Because who doesn't want to be in 90-degree water and drive down the I-90 at the same time?
Everyone? Okay, that's good. Alright, there's the setup. I'm gonna tilt my camera down just a little bit so I'd be able to see that. And let's go get some packs and try it out. So, alright, let's go. Alright guys, so here is the idea. We have got a bottle of Coca-Cola, and what we are going to do is stick it right here in between these blocks, move them up tight. So
there we go.
Yeah, nice and tight.
Solid. There we go. That's not going anywhere. Actually, we could put one more layer of bricks right there.
No, but then it's gonna. I need to be able to fly up to it. Sure. So I think I'm gonna come at it from this angle. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see how the first run goes, and then we'll try it again. So let's get popping.
It could go completely perfect, or it could go horribly wrong. Nick, what do you think?
I think it's gonna be all right. That's what I say about just about everything. So
that is true. All right.
Absolute garbage. We'll find out here.
Here we go.
God.
Drone with bottle opener.
Oh, I can see
first
it
bottle.
I can see it perfectly in the feed.
Really?
Yeah. We're off to a good start.
All right, here we go, guys. And we've got liftoff.
Oh god, this is so hard to get it up.
Yeah. Oh, there goes the GoPro. And something else.
Something's rubbing.
Alright, yeah, land it down, land it.
Years later.
Alright guys, so we're coming to very little luck. So my next idea that we're gonna try, because what did I tell you at the beginning of the day? I told you that I had to open a bottle of soda with the drone by the end of the day. Did I or did I not? So my next idea is I'm just gonna set it up like this, and I'm just going to pitch up and see if we can pop it open just like that. So we'll see.
So one of the next the goal to that too is try try and pitch it up, but don't crash.
Yeah, pitch it up.
Try and keep
well,
it
I'm not
level
gonna.
after you.
Yeah, we'll
Like,
see.
don't just flop it forward.
We'll see. We'll see. So. No, I restarted it. All right, you ready? He did it! Oh, why are you recording in vertical? Oh, but it actually did it! Oh my god! Oh my god, that's so awesome! That is so awesome! Oh! Here, wait. Memorial swig for the boys here. Nothing feels better than a cold soda opened by a drone, right?
Yeah.
Oh man, that is so sick. That is so sick. Let's do another one.
Let's do it. I can't believe that actually worked.
Oh god, that was great. Okay. Alright. Try it again, ready?
Woo! Oh, it's floating!
Oh!
That's gonna look
That's sick.
sick on slow-mo.
Alright, let's see that on slow-mo. Let's turn off the GoPros.
I just wish that I could have been closer to you.
Got my 2 open drone Coca-Colas. I'm gonna go give them to my mom and dad and see what they have to say about a fresh Coca-Cola opened via a drone. Let's see.
You go down in Palatine? Gotcha.
Have a Coca-Cola opened by a drone. It's a world first. Take part.
Is it cold?
Yeah.
Is it ice cold?
Not ice cold.
No, it's not ice cold.
How about you?
Serious?
Yes.
I'm not gonna drink Coke.
Yeah, if it was ice cold.
It was a Diet Coke. Or here, I'll have a sip.
Is there a stopper?
We'll have a
Do
sip
we have
for
any white
his video.
stoppers? I'll even drink
Yeah,
it. if
there you
it's
go.
Ice cold.
There, just drink them. That is drone Coca-Cola. Does it taste any different?
It tastes warm like piss.
Thank you. I'll finish that. See, they just don't like drone Coca-Cola. I guess there's something wrong with it. It might have like some virus we don't know about. So yeah, let's get inside and do a final conclusion of today's episode of Will It Open? I don't even know what to call this at this point. Scoot this camera back a little bit. There we go. So what is the conclusion with the soda opening drone? Well, my first biggest conclusion is just what I thought when I was originally putting it together, is that this is such a small hole and this is such a small area and these guys are very sensitive, so it was just so difficult to actually fly up to that lid. You know, I think it was one time that I actually got to land on the lid and I could never even get it to hook and pop, and that was after 2 or 3 batteries trying. So I just think that is just too difficult. I really challenge someone out there to try and do the same thing and try and fly up to it, but unfortunately that didn't work just by flying up to it. But it was cool to be able to watch it, you know, arm it and then flip over and get that cap to pop off, which I think is cool. But yeah, that's about it. Really appreciate you guys watching and challenge you to do crazy stuff. Maybe next episode I'll play around with some of these model rocket engines and maybe make a rocket drone, which would be pretty cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and make sure to click that like button, subscribe, do whatever those cool things you guys want to do, and I'll see you guys sometime soon. See ya. Keep flying.